Welcome to your own channel of Right
Here's
Funda.
an interesting question. It says a particle is subjected to two equal forces along two different directions. If one of them is a half, the angle which the resultant makes with the other is also halved. The angle between the forces is equal to how much? So two keywords are there. The two are equal forces. Forces having equal magnitude. One of them is made half. Then the what angle resultant make with the other one is also half. So we have to find the angle between the two forces. Okay. So the question is saying that if there are two forces are there, they are represented by the vector A and B vector, and this mod B is given as the mod A. Both mod A and mod B are the same thing. Okay. So then the resultant is given like this, and suppose the angle between the two vectors, is equal to theta, that we have to calculate. What happened that if one of the vector is reduced to half, this you make this value, this I check different ink, suppose this quantity is this become this like this half. So then the resultant, new resultant became like this here, and the new resultant like this is there. Okay. So this will calculate this value. So this is equal to B, this is equal to B by 2 will be there. So now this angle, earlier if it was making an angle alpha, now it is making alpha by 2. First it was making an alpha with this A vector. When the other vector is reduced, B is made to B by 2, then this become alpha by 2. So earlier it was B was there, now it is B by 2 is there. So in this case, what will happen? There are two ways you can do. One you can do by mathematical method also. We know that quantity, the angle made by any vector resultant, any resultant with any one vector is given by tan alpha. Suppose I write tan alpha is equal to here mod A or mod B sine theta. I'll write here with the A vector I want to calculate, then mod B sine theta by mod A plus mod B cos theta. And second case I can write tan alpha by 2. In tan alpha by, what is the resultant of A and B by 2? So this is equal to mod B by 2 sine theta by A plus mod B cos theta. So two equations I know, what I was given from the questions, I got two equations. Now these two equations I want to simplify, and we know that tan alpha is equal to tan 2 theta. Tan theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. If I take the values of tan alpha and substitute here, and tan alpha 2 I substitute here and here, then whole equation reduced to theta. Then solving that equations, I can get the value of theta can be calculated. But this is a complicated method. It's a mathematical method that we discussed. Let's solve this by another method. What you can do is that, and in this again we have to substitute mod A is equal to mod B, that we have to substitute here. We know that resultant is given by R is equal to, as the resultant of these two equal vector A and A, B we have taken, A and B magnitude are same, the resultant is given R. So we can write the R magnitude can be written as under root of A square plus 2AA cos theta. That theta we need to calculate, or this can be written as A times under root of 1 plus A square 2A square is there, so 2 plus 2 cos theta. So this is the magnitude of the resultant. Okay. Now if you see this triangle, now this way one of the vector has been made half, so this has become like this, here it has come here. So this alpha has become half, alpha by 2. So this is angular bisector. Now new resultant become angular bisector of the earlier triangle was there. So in this case, if I apply the angular bisector theorem of the triangle, so this angle same, this side will be same, and from that I can calculate that A mod A or A vector. Well, I can write like this. Here I change this ink. Now I can got that mod A by 2 by mod A by 2 from this two triangle is equal to R by mod A. So this is equal to 1, left hand side 1 is there, so I can got that R is equal to mod A. And we have got here this R is equal to mod A, this is mod A is there. So if I put this value, then what I got is that 2 plus 2 cos theta is equal to, substituting this value here, is equal to 1. Okay. So cos theta is equal to minus half. So from this I got theta is equal to 120 degree. If theta is equal to 180 degree and both the magnitude are same, then only if you make one of the vector half, then the angle made by the resultant, the other vector become half in this case. So in this question the answer will be the angle between the two vectors or two forces is equal to 120 degree.